To summarize, standardize, review the implementation of the third S and review what standards need to be created. Define the rules for organization and cleanliness. Use procedures and standards, but keep them available and visible for the employees. Use as many visual aids and audible aids too. Sometimes, with the forklift go backwards, you hear that noise. Well, everything works to help people respect the rules and work on implementing all the standards. And a standard, remember, is not implemented until it's communicated correctly. So make sure that you communicate it the right way. All right, let's do the cleaning schedule that I promised. This is this is a schedule that you can have in a specific section, so that they can write down everything that they need to clean in the item section, who needs to clean it, when. You can define the day, the week, the month, the year, the materials needed to define the how, and the instructions as clear and as specific as possible. And this can be used to mark when that should be done, or maybe you can use it to sign whenever it's already done. And here on this side, you can write down all the issues that you find. Maybe the previous shift didn't do it, or maybe you don't have the right items to clean, something like that. Then you can use this format for equipment, for an equipment in particular, or maybe you can use it for a machine. This is used a lot for TPM. Do you know what's TPM?
I haven't heard of that term.
Well, TPM is total productive maintenance, and is very much used in maintenance teams. And that means that you're empowering the operators to do some of the maintenance. So it's not only the maintenance department that is doing it, but the operator is doing some of the work. So let's say that the operators, it has to do a lot with 4S, because you train the employee to clean the machine, maintain it, and whenever they see a leak or they see a problem, they can detect it easily, and some things they can just fix it, or they can communicate maintenance that it needs to be something bigger that needs to be done. But total productive maintenance, what you are doing actually is making sure that maintenance is also done by the employee, but the one that operates the machine, all right, not only by the maintenance department. So you work with them more closely, so that the employee can help in the maintenance. What you can give them is this type of sheets. With this type of sheets, you can do this with the maintenance department. They can teach the employee how to do it. What is the expert? What's the diagram of the machine? What are the systems needed? What the BP is required? The cleaning solution, and what the directions in order to clean it. How to clean it? What are the parts that need to be cleaned? How long it will take? And if you provide all these details to the employees, they are able to do maybe weekly maintenance or daily maintenance. And then the maintenance guys only work on the PM days, for example. Have you ever seen something like this?
No.
No. So, yeah, if you are more interested in TPM, I can also provide you with a book on that, or more information, so that you can learn more about it. There's something about TPM in the book.
We used,
Sorry?
Louisiana. I think that's what form we used. I think that's the form we used at the plant. Was this one right here?
Oh, okay. Yeah, probably it's a standard model. It's not something that I invented. So yeah, probably you use it. So if Brian, you need to use it, please feel free to do it on my book, and explain a bit more about the TPM, so that you can learn more about it there. And then you also have this spreadsheet, that is the one that we're gonna use right now, to try to see what are the things in our sector that we need to clean, what are the items, what is the standard, so how it should look like, what are the instructions to do it. If you want to move the cells, just extend them if you need. What are the materials needed? What is the one responsible for cleaning, the one responsible for controlling? And this is the part of the fourth S, like what needs to be done, when, and how. Okay, so let's make it short. Just take 3 items that you may need to include in your shine schedule and write down how would you clean them. All right.